In this Nova 2024 product update, you have updates in configurations. You'll be able to group the sketches, rivets and fasteners, and more. Let's dive in. First up, in the configurations, now when you suppress the features, let's say here this pattern, the chamfer will automatically get suppressed. And same when you suppress the whole, the pattern and the chamfer will get implicitly suppressed. Moving on, you will be able to configure the features on the fly. Let's say here, if I extrude, here in my extrude dialog box, I have configured. Right up, I can select the distance or taper angle. Then I can extrude the circle, say OK. Then in my configure, these are added. Isn't that cool? Next up, you can configure the drawings. You can right click, switch configuration. Then you can choose your desired configurations. Within few seconds, it will update. Next up, grouping sketches. You can create a new sketch group. Select your desired sketches to be grouped. Boom! Now it became easier for me to organize my sketches. Next up, in the fasteners, rivets are added. Rivets, you can select the type. Select any circle and boom. Awesome, right? Next up, you have edit in position. If you drag and drop any component, previously when you try to move, it records that moment in the timeline, but now it won't. You can right click and click on edit initial position, then you can place wherever you want, and boom. You can check out the link in description to know more about updates. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.